Ooh. The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Carver County, northwestern Hennepin County, until 7 p.m. At 6:48 p.m. At 6:29 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Chanhassen, moving east at 10 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 60-mile-an-hour wind gusts and quarter-sized hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected: tree damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Chanhassen, Minneapolis, Burnsville, Eden Prairie. Precautionary/preparedness actions. Move to take cover now. Move to an interior basement on the lowest floor of a building.